Hi friends, Miss Jones here, and we're going to read this next part of Venom. This is page 36 and 37, and it's all about snakes. And it's titled, How Do I Kill Thee? Let Me Count the Ways. And right here we have a picture of a python. Not all snakes use venom to kill their victims. Some snakes use constriction. They seize the prey with their small, backward-pointing teeth, then quickly wrap themselves around the victim and tighten their muscles to suffocate it. The most famous of these constrictors are the pythons and boas. Like the constrictors, venomous snakes have regular teeth to seize prey and to prevent it from slipping out of their mouths, but they also have a pair of hollow fangs in their upper jaws to inject toxins. If a snake loses a fang, another one usually replaces it, sometimes as often as once a week. Baby venomous snakes are born with fangs and the ability to inject venom. They will shed teeth and fangs many times during their lives. Some snakes bite and hold their prey, chewing to inject venom deep in the wound. Others strike and quickly withdraw. As for a snake's forked tongue, it cannot sting. It is used to taste or smell the air to find food. And down here we have a Madagascar tree boa. Snake venom has to work quickly and efficiently to subdue prey. That's why it is so potent. A struggling victim is dangerous not only when it is caught, but also when it is swallowed. It could easily break the snake's ribs or skull. So the snake waits until the prey is paralyzed, tracks it by smell, and then swallows it. A snake's jaws are connected by stretchy skin and ligaments, so it can open its mouth very wide. The two sides of the jaws work independently, walking the prey to the rear of the snake's mouth and down its throat. All right, let's look at the next page. And here we have a snake called a fer-de-lance. A snake's venom is actually modified saliva. It is produced in special glands below and behind the snake's eyes, and it flows into tissues surrounding the base of the fangs, and then into the fang's venom canals. It is mostly made up of proteins in the form of enzymes that help break down the prey quickly. In one study, a venomous snake called a fer-de-lance, found in Central and South American rainforest clearings and fields, had its venom removed. Instead of the 2 or 3 days a snake usually needed to digest a rat, it took the snake 12 days. Studies of Bothrop's venom have also resulted in the discovery of beta blockers, drugs used to treat cardiovascular diseases. In fact, snake venom components are used in many areas of medicine. From cobra venom, scientists have developed several painkillers. Other venoms have produced anticoagulants that prevent blood clots. Venoms are currently being investigated for their potential to kill harmful viruses and bacteria and to treat other cardiovascular, nerve, muscle, and joint diseases as well as visual disorders. And here we have a picture of a copperhead using its fangs and jaws to walk its prey, a mouse, toward its throat. So I hope we have learned a lot today from our very interesting pages about venomous snakes.